Welcome to my class. If you're joining me, this is probably programming in C or programming in C Sharp or Java programming or even Python or something that's a little crazier like operating systems. Either way, welcome. My name is Professor Francis Fiske and I will be the person who guides you through these exercises and journeys as we progress over the next 12 or 16 weeks with 8 modules that will allow us to get from point A to point B very quickly and get you started where you need to be. There'll be more corresponding videos that show up. But this right here in my background, what you see here, is my channel. So get used to it, become acquainted with it. It's going to give you all the information that you need moving forward and the peace of mind to succeed in my course. I look forward to getting through this semester with you, getting through this period with you, and giving you the peace of mind to know that this isn't too hard. It doesn't require a genius, just a little stick-to-itness and a lot of determination. Either way, as I say in all of my videos, good luck, let's have some fun, ciao.